Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. Thank you all very much for coming today. My name is Gita Alpajrianti and I am a student at Siliwangi University, majoring in Math Education 2021B. The purpose of my presentation today is to why students don't like math. In today's presentation, I would like to cover 3 points. Firstly, definition. Secondly, for reason students don't like mathematics. And finally, Google Form result data. As you can see, the first in the definition of mathematics. According to the Husna 2016, Ernawati 2017, and other friends' opinion that mathematics is one of the subjects taught at all levels of education ranging from elementary school, junior high school, to college. According to the Listiani 2015, Febriana 2017, and Puspiadi 2015 opinion that not only in the world of education, mathematics is also very closely related to everyday life. Therefore, mathematics is very important for study. Then the definition of learning mathematics. According to the Karim 2011, Mursalin 2016, that the process of learning mathematics in elementary school will discuss basic mathematical concept and material that will help students in their mathematics material at a further level. According to the Safrina, Ihsan, and Ahmad 2014, therefore, it is very important for teacher to determine the right learning method to instill mathematics materials in elementary school. Next, 4 reasons students don't like mathematics. The first, don't like to count. This is one of the reasons for those who don't like math. Maybe they prefer to memorize rather than count. Next, second, many formulas. Example, to get only the number 15, there are many formulas that can be used. For example, 5 times 3, 10 plus 5, or 18 minus 3. That is, to solve mathematical problems, you can use formulas to get the same answer. This is what sometimes makes students confused. Not to mention, there are various formulas and their derivatives in a short condition must help confused in choosing the formula you want to use. Third, lack of interest in learning. The difficulty of learning mathematics cause student interest in learning to decrease and cause them to be lazy to understand any given material. Indriani 2013 revealed that low student motivation is one of the factors causing low student accept. Next, for the lesson. The lesson is hard to understand. Understanding the basic concept in mathematics is very important. If you cannot understand the concept of basic multiplication or mixed calculation, it will be difficult to solve advanced problem. Mathematics is considered a difficult subject one of which is because of the lack of concept understanding. Next, data. This data is the result of filling out the Google form. It can be seen that 62.5% of school students do not like math, and the rest sometimes. Next, then this data most of them think that mathematics is difficult. Next, the strong reason they don't like math is because of the many formulas. I think that is all my present. If you have any question, I'll do my best to answer them.
I am Elia Damayanti Ulfa from class 2021B. I have a question. How to deal with students who are less interested in learning mathematics?
Okay, thank you. Based on the student interest in learning less, as a teacher must often provide motivation about the important learn. For everyday life, the teacher must also awaken student learning motivation continuously. Provide material, review with learning method and strategies that interesting so that it brings out the teacher's curiosity and interest of student to know something. Please, second question.
I am Lutfinur Insani from class 2021A. I have a question. Students are still not interested in learning mathematics. How do you deal with this problem and how do you make learning fun?
Okay, thank you. In my opinion, so that learning is fun, a teacher must be innovative, creative, so that learning is more interesting. For example, teacher can use math magic, game learning method, then mathematical puzzle game method, and others. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.